Namaste, everyone, and welcome to episode 3 of the Great Indian Shop Utsav 2.0 by Apni Indian Gali. I am Devisha Jatakia, and along with my community head Sonia Lamba, this is our small digital initiative to celebrate and support our local Indian businesses, creators, and artists. And we try to bring the best offers that they have for you all for this festive season. In each episode, we aim to bring real people, real connections that add value to each one of us. And these are straight from our Indian homes, streets, and studios. Let's dive into today's conversation with our guest, Nimi and Sanket. Welcome, Nimi and Sanket, to this
Hi,
amazing episode. I'm so
Hi,
excited to have this conversation with you guys.
hi.
Hello.
hi. Thanks,
Thank
Devisha,
you.
for having me here.
It's
Yeah,
completely our pleasure.
thank
So,
you.
Nimi, tell us something about yourself.
Um, my name is Nimi Lakhani. I'm an interior designer and I'm very passionate about my work. I enjoy colors a lot. I have a very colorful life as well. So I'm very much connected with this.
You have a very colorful background as well.
Thank you.
And Sanket, it's so good to have you again on this platform. So, let's
Thanks,
quickly
Devisha.
reintroduce yourself.
Yeah. So I'm a spiritual coach. I've been practicing professionally since last 15 years and as a hobby more than 25 years. I am extremely passionate about my work. I practice modalities like numerology, tarot card reading, past life regression, inner child work, sound healing, and you name it, and I know it. And I'm so passionate. I've been just learning, and practicing. So it's wonderful, and I'm just
Wow.
enjoying my life.
अमेजिंग सो मतलब ऐसे आई हैव ओवर अ टाइम रियलाइज कि जैसे हम बड़े होते हैं ना तो जब छोटे थे तब ऐसे था कि हमें पढ़ाई से या कुछ नया सीखने से या लर्न करने से ना हम भागते थे and the more we grow older we start loving this
Bhakti.
process of
Yes, so
learning new
true.
things and unlearning some wrong things or maybe the negative things या जो भी है
Yeah,
तो उसको rewire करो फिर even
Yes.
after 5 years also you start upgrading yourself. So
definitely.
it's amazing
Yes.
to see people like having people like you who are constant learners and it gives a lot of inspiration कि भाई सीखना चाहिए सीखने की वो बोलते हैं ना सीखने की कोई उम्र नहीं होती so
Umar
people
nahi.
like you are rightly
Hmm.
uh, getting over this particular concept.
See, I am aware
So
that I'm learning. Everybody is learning. Every till the last day
true,
of our life, we are learning. It is just that I'm in that
true.
awareness and I'm doing it consciously.
I agree. Awareness is very important, especially nowadays वो doom schooling की वजह से 3 से 5 सेकंड का अपना attention span हो गया है यार
I
उससे भी कम है.
definitely enjoyed
Yes.
learning
Yes.
more during this lockdown period because it was such a free time and
Yeah.
I really got upgraded a lot there. I did my Vastu classes and all. So
Wow,
with my profession, I'm even giving some instance and some help and support to my clients.
wow, amazing.
Wow.
Thank you.
So what new services and what exclusive services you have for us?
Exclusive services, like I am into more passionate about technology. I love to use technology because today's world is very techno oriented. So I just since I'm an interior designer, I feel I must give new technology whatever is coming. So this automation which has come right now into market, I've already used it 10 years back in my profession.
Wow,
And like ceilings, like something like there are star ceilings in which you just see like the ceiling is actually like a star. They are like blinking. I've used that
Wow.
technology in my client's place. So these are things
wow,
I enjoy a lot.
wow. And what special offer do you have for our viewers?
Offer would be definitely, it will be a good this sort of
Consultation.
consultation. I can give you free consultation. Definitely, why not?
Wow.
I would enjoy it.
Amazing. And Sanket, what do you have for us?
Okay, so see, as I have been associated with AIG, that is Apni Indian Gully, and I'm so proud of you, Devisha, that you've launched this, where you are helping Indians like us to showcase our, our creativity and our niche at your platform. So I'm so grateful about it. Yeah. So for especially for AIG viewers who are going to view this
Mhm.
and who are going to come for our upcoming event also, where I'll be having a stall of myself. So there at the
Yeah.
stall, I'll be doing on a very very special rate for just rupees 500. I'll be answering three questions through tarot card reading.
Wow.
That is not even one tenth of the price I do it in my private
Exactly.
consultancy. I
Wow.
in my
That's
I'll tell you my private consultancy charges is 1100 rupees per question, and
wow.
here I'm giving you three questions for 500 rupees just
So
for
that's an
AIG.
amazing privilege, to all the members
Yes,
and all the
yes,
participants, I would say, because it's an open event. You
yeah,
can get your friends and family along. So Sanket is talking about our new upcoming event, which is Utsav Unplugged, and it's on 1st of November. And it is a no drama, no fuzz kind of event that we are curating for
yes,
you guys. We don't want that fake shows and a lot of dramas and all, so it will be more of fun, and it will be like as if कि ये अपना ही इवेंट है, आप खुद ही वो इवेंट में आओगे, आप बहुत एंजॉय करोगे. These two guys have been attending our events. Please let our viewers know कि हमारे events कितने अच्छे होते हैं.
Oh, they
Honestly,
are
seriously,
mind
yes.
blowing.
So
Like
you
I'm
don't
getting
feel,
carried
you
away
don't
there.
feel there is an organizer. Yeah,
organizer, yes,
you don't feel
true.
there is an organizer. Everybody is equal, everybody's participating, everybody
Yes, true.
is excellent in that joyous mood. So it's always there. There is nothing like if Devisha says you have to do this, you have to do this. No, it's not there. So, and of course,
It is a very
you just
fun-filled
dress
time.
up nicely because it's a Diwali theme. So dress up
Yes,
nicely, be in your highest spirits energetically,
yes,
and
energetic.
then be there.
So it's
Mm.
an
And of
amazing
course,
offer, guys. You
yeah,
can,
and one more
you
offer
will
is
not only sorry, one second, let me complete.
yeah,
You'll not only
yeah,
enjoy the
yeah,
event,
yeah, yeah.
but you will meet both of these amazing people and also the other people that we are covering. All these entrepreneurs को आप one on one सबको मिल सकते हो, तो आपको बड़ा मजा आएगा. So Sanket, over to you, all yours.
Yes. So rather than other than tarot, all my other services also I'm giving a 15% discount than what is there on my
Wow.
website
Wow.
to all the viewers and all those
Lovely.
people at that event till 15th of November. If you
Wow.
contact me before 15th of November, you get a 15% discount of the price written on my website. So it is there on my website. So there is
Hmm.
nothing like
Hmm.
I have upgraded the price and I'm giving you a discount. It's not like that. So it's just that for the AIG viewers, um, because it's very close to my heart.
Thank you so much. I mean, I'm really humbled with all the amazing offers that you guys are bringing on the platform. So we'll be mentioning the details of what they're offering at the discounted rates and how to contact them in the caption below. So don't to forget, कि अगर ये यहाँ पे मिस हो गया तो आपको वहां से मिल जाएगा. एंड प्लस विल बी प्रमोटिंग इट अक्रॉस उनके सारे ऑफर्स जो है, ताकि आप कुछ भी मिस ना करें. So moving on to the next one, maybe tell us how your services stand out from the people that are available in the market. What is your
Uh,
USP?
my work is more authentic. It's I'm quite passionate about it, and yes, I do bring my choice. It's like god gifted thing to me, I would say. It's not my
Got it.
quality, I would say. It's given by god to me. I have a very good choice, and whenever I take a, like, it's obviously my work is a very risk taking work where you
Hmm, hmm.
combine two materials, two different designs, two abstract things and all. But by god's gift, whenever I try to combine those things, I don't know, my instinct says that or what, but the design really comes out really very nice. So I
Wow.
really feel I am very happy with my work. I never feel that, oh, why not? I did it that way. after my work is finished.
Wow. So very passionate about, and I've seen her work and the creativity that she is having. She's very bubbly, very energetic. मतलब आप हमेशा उसको मिलोगे ना तो उसके पास चार नए आइडियाज होंगे किसी चीज का, ये ऐसा होना चाहिए था, ये ऐसे बेटर बेटर होना चाहिए था. So don't miss out on that. And Sanket, of course, I
And
personally know.
definitely AIG is supporting me in that ways because I enjoy AIG, and that is why I am feeling that I am getting it more on me. It's not
Wow.
just my thing, it's like from AIG. Even Sonia and you, Divisha, both of you really have made me more energetic, I feel.
Thank you so much. Really humbled to know this. And Sanket, I personally know you from, maybe a decade now, and I vouch
Yeah,
for your services anytime. But let our
thank
audience know
you.
your USP right directly from the master himself.
So yes, USP, of course, as I told before, that I have a huge experience of almost 25 years now. I've been awarded at many platforms,
Hmm. Hmm.
at Tata Sky, at Airtel DTH, at Soham TV. So yes, I can say that I've got that name and recognition also now. And of
Wow.
course, I had a guest with many celebrities, and as a
आपका
podcast,
थोड़ा सा लैग हो रहा
been
है.
an awesome journey. And of course, this experience I carry it with myself, and I can offer the best help possible. And
Wow.
the USB is I am very passionate, very compassionate about my work,
Hmm.
and I can listen to you for hours without any judgments.
Wow.
So that is something I carry that empathy with me.
Nice.
That's
Yeah.
what I think. So, 1 year, 2 years down the line, we'll be needing people like you because there is so
Yeah.
much noise across. मतलब इतना ज्यादा
Yes.
हर जगह पे बढ़ गया है कि अपना ओपिनियन देना ही है सोशल मीडिया का शोशा. So we'll be needing a lot of
Yes.
healers and people like you.
True,
Yes.
true.
Yeah.
So quickly tell me, both of you, okay? Give me two or three tips that you would like to share with our viewers. Like आप इंटीरियर में हो, इतने क्रिएटिव हो निमी, तो आप बताओ कि कैसे दिवाली के कुछ क्विक हैक्स या कुछ भी अगर आपको कुछ पता है तो शेयर इट
Yeah.
विद द व्यूअर्स.
So there's a quick hack for y'all to know that interiors is not about just designing. It's not
Mm-hmm.
about just placements. Definitely, that those criteria are important, but lights plays a very important role in your
True.
interiors. The more the right lights, the more right choice of lights. Like you're using
Mm.
COBs or spots and whatever those track lights, whatever it is. If you're using it the right way, definitely your interiors will come amazing. That's a
Wow.
one thing I would like to say. And yes, definitely I would say to y'all a very happy, peaceful, joyous, happy Diwali to all my viewers.
We'll come to that message later. अभी एक टिप हम
Okay.
लोग को क्विकली शेयर करना है. संकेत, you tell us as to the whatever maybe abundance के लिए, because अभी तो सब माता लक्ष्मी जी को ज्यादा
Yes.
पूजेंगे.
Yeah.
सबको चाहिए.
Very, very, very simple tip to attract abundance in life, to attract Lakshmi ji in your life is open up your cupboards, your closets, your drawers, and from everywhere remove 10 items and dispose it.
Wow. बस.
Wow. That's what is
Bus.
Diwali Safai for.
Yes.
Declutter. You mean
Just
to say declutter?
declutter,
Clutter.
declutter, declutter, but from every corner of your house. Don't say कि
Hmm.
ये important cupboard
Wow.
है, इसमें सब heavy sarees रखी है तो इसमें से कुछ नहीं निकालना है. वहां से भी 10 चीजें निकालो.
Oh,
Every cupboard,
Good.
every drawer, every shelf, every room, remove 10 items.
wow.
And
Wow.
Devisha is having a
Thank
campaign
you.
also of collecting the old
Collections.
stuff and donating it to other people. Contact her.
Yes.
Uh, please
Yes.
send your usable clutter to her so that she can use it in
Thank
a
you
better way.
for mentioning that, Sanket.
That, yeah. Very
I
sweet.
have
Very
had
nice.
Yes.
such funny and weird experiences. Like people are sending what not, and we are like, कि, भाई ये क्यों ही भेजा है आपने, क्या ही कर रहे हो?
Yeah.
I
So
mean, though
that's
I
why I
cannot.
mentioned usable clutter. Of course.
That, नहीं वो अच्छे से मतलब that's what I'm saying. Thank you for mentioning that usability.
Yes,
And
but
ये टाइम
declutter,
पे
it is, I tell you,
we
it
got
is the easiest thing in life.
wow. And I keep
Right.
mentioning this for
So,
my, digital services as well. Being a digital
yes,
advisor in this field from last 15, 15, 18 years. I have seen people are just piling up, going behind likes, followers. कि नहीं भाई मुझे followers बढ़ाने इसलिए मैं friends add कर रहा हूँ. अरे लेकिन आप उतना clutter add कर रहे हो. You don't know
yes,
anyone, you are just adding them, you're just piling up. तो मैं उन्हें भी बोलती हूँ भाई वहां से भी डीक्लटर करो जो नहीं चाहिए, जो नेगेटिव
yes,
है, जिसके थॉट प्रोसेस आपसे मैच
yes,
नहीं हो रहे. मे बी वो रॉन्ग
yes.
नहीं हो सकते बट आपसे तो मैच नहीं हो रहा है ना. इट्स नॉट
Match nahi
वाइबिंग
ho
विथ
raha.
यू.
Yes, yes.
जस्ट रिमूव दोस
Very
Yes.
true.
थिंग्स
And
आउट.
even decluttering your email inbox,
एवरीथिंग वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. खास करके तुम्हारा
Wow.
गैलरी
yeah,
जाके उसको डीक्लटर करो.
gallery, email inbox, everything should be decluttered. कितने spams पड़े होते हैं अपने
कितना
messages
होता
में,
है उसमें.
emails में.
Yes,
Even
so
your
Yes,
unwanted apps, whatever you're not using it,
yes,
just remove it.
yes, yes. That is also clutter and that is dead energy. Dead energies don't allow you to grow. If you want to grow
Wow.
in life,
okay.
remove all sorts of dead energies from your life.
Superb tip. I enjoyed this one.
This tip, my dear friends, you need to note. I mean, not only in your homes and spaces, but even from the life, because इसको लेके ही हम ऐसे चल रहे हैं.
Yes,
This is a part of your identity now. So don't let
identity
that
now.
clutter
Yes.
and baggage go around with you. Very rightly said and very important tip by Sanket.
And
And our
also from
viewers are going
here,
to love this. हाँ.
also from here, let go,
वो वो तो एक अलग ही
declutter.
प्रोसेस है. वो लेट गो.
No, very important, Devisha. It is not difficult.
Yes.
It's not
Hmm.
difficult, but we just keep on holding it.
So give me one tip for that as well, because I'm sure
Yeah, so,
viewers
so
would love to
simple.
know it.
Just before sleeping, be in gratitude of the day you had,
Hmm.
and
Yes.
just try to forget anything negative happened in your life today. It's
But
like
that
just
forgetting is not
accept it.
easy now.
Okay, it was my no. So
Ah.
so accept it. Just accept it. Okay, it was my fate. I had to face it. It was some of my karma which I had to face it this way, and I let go of it now. It will not. I don't attract it anymore in my life.
Oh, lovely.
Oh,
That's it. Yeah. So it is not a part of me anymore.
Aha.
I
This
had
is
to
not a
witness it. I saw it as a third party.
okay. And there was this experience attached to me because there was some
Yeah.
karma that I had to go through this phase.
Yes.
So accept कर लो,
Yeah.
acceptance कर लो, और उसे
yes.
छोड़ दो gratitude के साथ कि okay, thank you for coming and now off my
Yes.
life.
Yes. And
Amazing.
teaching me what I needed to learn.
वाह. आई गेस ये इतना बड़ा मतलब तुम्हारे साथ निमी के साथ इतना एनर्जेटिक हो रहा है, इतना लंबा हो रहा है, तो हमारे व्यूअर्स भी बोलेंगे अरे यार आके मिल लो इन लोगों से. उत्सव अनप्लग में दोनों आ रहे हैं. एक तारीख को हो रहा है,
Definitely.
Please
मिल लो
come.
दोनों
Please come.
को आके. And of course, I and Sonia also will be there, so you can meet us as well, and we can see how we can collectively grow. And before we end up this recording, Nimi, what's your message or best wishes or jo bhi hai to our viewers before we end this?
I would like to say a very good, happy Diwali, of course, and joyous and prosperous, and with a very good hopes, with blessings and positivity. I would like everyone to wish happy Diwali.
Wow. And what's your message, Sanket?
So, wishing you all a very, very, very Shubh Diwali, and may you all receive whatever you desire and more. That's
Wow. That's such a
Yes.
lovely
Thank
message,
you.
guys. And thank you so much for taking out your time during this, crucial period and giving this
Thank you.
amazing offers to all our viewers. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
most
Yeah,
welcome. Thank you so much. Thank you, Devisha, once again to have us here, and looking forward
pleasure.
everybody to meet and connect.
Definitely.
Amazing. So, guys, signing off. Bye.
Bye bye.